Today I'm gonna ride on the new bus system in Bali. I'll be going to Braja Sandi and the Ubud Monkey Forest using the bus. Before we went anywhere, we had to get ourselves some nasi kuning for breakfast. Yes sir! Okay, so it's still free. We didn't have to use this. What do you think?
Pretty good. Nasi kuning is really good. I like it.
I got mine too. I think I'm gonna start eating it soon. And yeah, the bus experience have been incredible so far. It's really clean. There's a few other people on the bus. Okay, so right now we're off the bus, and the driver told us to hop onto another bus because there's a queue. This is where all the queue is to stay consistent, so they're not like early and then it's like not on the spot. So this is where it stays queue and there is no you know, too much gap in between. And this is the next bus we're going on. But I'm gonna quickly eat my nasi kuning. Right now we're like in this bus terminal thing where you just chill. The reason why we're here because we're switching buses to Sanur, and then from here we go to chill at Sanur for a couple hours, then we go to back here to Ubud, and we take another bus to Ubud, and then the Ubud one just goes straight here, which is really simple. The driver tells you pretty much everything if you don't understand how the system works. But yeah, alright, just so you know guys, if you do turn up here, there will be people like him. If you have any question, just go ask him. He will tell you all the routes and what to do and stuff. So we have the whole bus to ourselves. This James right here just chilling on our phone. We just finished making a TikTok. It's insane. The bus looks very nice and clean.
No one on the bus. It's freaking
what do you
crazy.
think about the bus?
Dude, I love the bus. It's actually the thing I love about it. AC. You have to have AC.
I know.
Oh
it's insane. It's so nice. It's cool, and like you don't get too hot, right?
Yeah.
We're so close to getting to Renon. Let's do a jump transition. We haven't done that in a while.
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. Whoa, what the hell? They teleport us wrong. Oh wait, it's in front of us.
Oh, there it is.
Okay. Okay, let's cross the road. Okay. Do the honors. You wanna do the honors to press the button, bro?
I'll do the honors.
Ready? 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 Oh. Listen, listen, it's gonna scream. Come on, press go. Dude, it's annoying. It was red. They didn't even stop. They didn't even stop.
I know, fucking asshole.
What an asshole. I pressed the button and it didn't even stop. James was like, what the He was like, see. 2000, okay. Scored a ticket. I usually don't take advantages of being a student, but this time it was like half the price if you were a student, so might as well show them my student ID, right?
Take money,
So
you know?
it's 2,000 to go in the museum. 2,000 guys, rupiah. So, but if you're like a normal guy that's not a alert student or anything, just
bule.
yeah, so like not a bule, even a local, it would cost you 20K for an adult. So yeah,
All right.
let's get it, dude. This is insane. What do you think, James?
It's really cool.
So far? Oh my god. This is insane. I've never been inside before, guys. Oh my god, this is like the middle of the bell. It's like so fancy in here. I've never been inside. There's like a pond here too. Incredible. Yeah. look insane. Yeah. Let's go. Oh yo, the LEDs went on. Let's go up. This feels like a nightclub. Going up these steps is a nightclub.
It's like we're famous.
Okay, we're in the top. There's a lot of flight of steps. Alright, this is insane. Look at the roof. So this is like all the elements, I'm guessing. All these symbols. I'm sorry. Sorry mom for not learning the tradition. I swear I remember learning these symbols. But oh, that's fire for sure. That's fire. That's infinity. I don't know. Look at the view. Holy. It's insane. What do you think, James?
Honestly, I can't believe this is Bali. It's like I'm in like Java or something.
Look, you can see Trans Studio Mall right there. See that gray roof with the roller coaster? That's insane. Let's not be too loud. Maybe they can hear us from the bottom. This is insane. I've actually never been inside here. It's actually quite incredible views. Like all this stuff's been built. Just a quick reminder, guys, to hit that subscribe button, like, comment down below what you guys think now. But just to remind you guys, this was only 2,000 rupiah. Dude, we scored. Oh, look at that field. That's a massive field. Monument Braja Sandi. Yeah, Braja Sandi. I think we're gonna go downstairs and look at the museum. So vibey. Okay, so this place also has a museum if you guys are interested of learning the culture and what happened to Indonesia. It's all explained, well, and why it's built and all that. It's in English and Indonesian, so if you are lost in translation, they have both languages for every single thing here, and old photos, they all have both languages, so if you're a local, you can still understand the story, and if you're a foreigner, it's all in English. Sorry for those who don't speak English, but you can use Google Translate, the camera translate, if you can't understand English.
Oh yeah. Oh, the bag's in the way actually.
Okay, the guy said it's an hour, so time to vibe. Alrighty, we got off the bus and now we're on the way. We're like walking towards the warung. You gonna eat there or here? Totally up to you.
Let's see what's over
there. So we're just gonna look around for lunch because I'm really hungry, and I'm guessing James is really hungry too.
I'm starving, dude. Actually, it depends on the price. It looks cheap.
Yeah, it looks cheap.
So satisfying.
Right now, we ordered nasi goreng, just the typical us ordering nasi goreng, and we got ourselves some Dewata. Okay, we're in the bus now again, after lunch.
The nasi goreng, it was good, but it was so expensive.
It was like 25 tau, like what the it was not that much either, it was like really a little bit. Makasih! Yeah. Oh, monkey forest. Let's go. I ended up paying a local price. He had to pay 60K because he's not local, but he's, you know, you're Indonesian.
He showed passport.
He showed. Hell. I forgot we're in a monkey forest, dude. Yeah, so he had to pay 60K, which is not epic.
Hey, Oscar.
What the fuck? James! James! Hey, James! Oh, look, James, you dropped your fruit. It's playing with a rock. I've never seen that. I'm gonna turn it on. It's pressed, by the way. Hey, James, it's pressed.
Oh.
Bro, it's pressed, bro. Man, it's not that hard, just fucking press. There, see? That's hilarious. Maybe it did his ankle going down.
We're getting our steps in today, dude.
Yeah, we're getting our steps in like hella crazy today. Oh, there's so much piss.
Oh yeah, it's definitely piss.
This is nice. There's like a waterfall and shit down there. The water is so clear. Look, a monkey. Monkey's licking the wall. What the hell?
Hey.
Stop daydreaming, bro. That side of the monkey first. It's scared of my mic thing. Look at it. It's angry at me. Mas. Walk, just walk.
Like three? Well, there's three behind you.
Can you call the guy? Touchy style, I dare you.
Wait.
Oh, never mind. It's looking at you.